Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream easily at home. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, and your favorite flavorings. No need for an ice cream maker. We'll use a simple freezing technique. This method is perfect for beginners and yields a wonderfully smooth, rich dessert. Get ready to enjoy homemade ice cream without any fuss or complicated steps. The secret to easy homemade ice cream is the no churn method. Start by whipping 2 cups of very cold heavy cream in a chilled bowl until it forms soft, firm peaks. This creates the airy base for your ice cream. Next, carefully fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Be gentle to maintain the volume of the whipped cream, ensuring a light and creamy texture. Now for the fun part, adding your favorite flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or get creative with chocolate chips, fruit purees, or cookie crumbles. Once mixed, pour the entire concoction into a freezer-safe container, like a loaf pan, and cover it tightly. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, or until it reaches a scoopable consistency. Enjoy your custom creation. When you're ready to enjoy your homemade treat, let it sit out for about 5 minutes to soften slightly for easier scooping. For storing any leftovers, always use an airtight container to keep it fresh and prevent ice crystals from forming. This ensures your ice cream stays delicious for longer. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy scooping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.